So there's supposed to be 4 wheels in there. I don't know.
Excuse the grunting, I have a cracked rib. Also, excuse the messy garage, I haven't had a chance to put away the Christmas decorations yet. Gladys is getting some new socks and shoes. I opted to go with Fuel Beast wheels, 17 by 10 with a -18mm offset. I ordered these from realtruck.com. Total cost of the wheels was $1,382.24. Unfortunately, there was a little mix-up with shipping and I only received 3 wheels. A quick call to realtruck.com, and the issue was resolved. The missing wheels was shipped to me from the factory. For tires, I'm going with Venom Power Terra Hunter XT, all-terrain off-road light truck radial tires, 35 by 12.5, R17. I ordered these from Amazon, total cost was $1,136.93. Links to all items will be in the description below. I'll be replacing the lug nuts with black acorn lugs that I ordered from Extreme Terrain. Total cost was $20.93. One last item will be new valve stem mounted TPMS sensors that I also ordered from Extreme Terrain. Total cost was $105.96 for 4 sensors. I've been running these 33 by 10.5, R18s, with 1.5-inch spacers for a year and a half or so. I love the look, but I wanted something with a little better stance. I don't plan on lifting the Gladiator anytime soon, but I did install a leveling kit when I added my current tires. Link to that video is in the description.
Alright, so today's the day. These have got to go. So we can put the Christmas stuff up and get that out. And they're off.